All right, Rob Frazier here. In this video, I'm going to quickly talk about how I've made multiple six figures using replicated systems. So this C you're looking at right here, if I can find where my finger's at, clicks, contacts, content, social media, all of that I send to what's called a capture page. That is what CP stands for. Capture page looks something like this, and I've built these things through two different types of softwares. I can let you know what they are. Now, a percentage of people who comes to this page right here is going to put in their name and email, and a percentage of people are not. I'm not focused on the people who don't. From there, if I get my phone to focus, will go to a bridge page. A bridge page is simply a video on a page that I've created. And also, if you're worried about making videos, I didn't even do anything to this video. I just made it with a certain type of software. And it plays my little intro story. So I'm not even speaking on this bridge page. And then when the folks click down here, they will get taken to the company replicated sales page. So in the same way, capture page, they opt in to see my bridge page, and then from there they'll see the company replicated sales page. Now, this part is totally customizable to me, and it's very important to start to use your own capture page and your own bridge page, because if you're using the same company replicated system, the company's capture page sends people straight to here, and they have no idea that they're joining you in the business. So that's why you want to make sure that you at least have a small video of yourself in front of it. And the same way, I've made another page right here. And this capture page, this bridge page, and this bonus page is all made through ClickFunnels, to which I also have a couple of other pages that I use through the Power Lead system as well. But ClickFunnels and Power Lead system is how I make these systems. And if you're looking at the two, I would recommend going with ClickFunnels, to which I do have share funnels for these exact templates for these exact pages as well. So once the people get on, they opt in through that capture page, then they'll get placed on my autoresponder series, to which is SOS is called the soap opera series. And you'll learn that through this book right here. And that's why I also recommend getting ClickFunnels, because this book will tell you exactly how to do that. You can look up training on YouTube, but there's nothing like going through and reading this training and getting it directly from the source yourself, so you're not getting secondhand information. So the soap opera series is a series of 5 emails. And each of these different emails tells your story and also refers people back. And I send people back to the bridge page. So on email 1, I send people back to the bridge page, and I have a little 1 there because I have 3 different types of bridge pages. Here is an example of my first bridge page, and here's an example of my second bridge page. And I also have a third page as well, because these pages, they don't just go straight to the company. These pages go to me. I mean, they show you who I am, and you can see my story, and you can get a little bit of where I've been. And it doesn't matter if you don't have a story or not yourself, because you could do these same things, and I will help you. But email 1, I send people back to bridge page 1. Email 2, I don't have any links. Email 3, I send people to bridge page 2. Email 4, no links. And email 5, I send people to bridge page 3. Now, after they get off of email 3, and this is just exactly what it looks like, emails 1 through 5 already set to go automatically, and I'm always tweaking and testing these numbers and things like that. And as you can see here, link clicks. In the second email, I don't send anybody to anything. And you can see my numbers right here, and it's just simply a matter of testing and tweaking and writing different emails and things like that. And again, don't let these numbers fool you. Multiple 6 figures doing the same stuff. And after they get done with email 5, they get placed on what's called my Seinfeld series. And again, you'll learn what Seinfeld series means through this book right here. And that's where I basically email them every single day about different things, but only people who have been through this 5-day autoresponder series. And those same people, I email my bridge page. I email through my own personal uh, weekly schedule of different programs based on the day of the week. I'll send different programs, and this is after this right here, and that's how I've made multiple six figures and multiple streams of income in the BizOp affiliate marketing space. Threw out a lot of information there. If you have any questions, reach out, but that's what it is in a nutshell. Percentage of people come to my capture page, percentage of people opt in, they see my bridge page. From there, they'll see my video, go to my sales page. Then I'll get placed on my SOS series of 5 emails. Emails 1, 3, and 5 refer people back to my different bridge pages. And then after that, they get placed on my Seinfeld series, to which I email them just different offers, different programs that I'm in, different systems. And I just continue to email them until they get off my list, or, they'll join me in something down the road. And that's just exactly how it is. And, I have about like 5 offers. And then based on the day of the week it is, I send out an offer per whatever day. So for example, I'll have Wealthy Affiliate Wednesday, and then I'll have Self-Development Sunday. So each of those days is always like a set theme that I email out. And that's really it. That's my paid affiliate marketing email strategy, and it works. That being said, Rob Frazier here. If you're interested in seeing this process, there's going to be a link below this video. If you're getting this video through an email, you're going to see my bridge page. If you're seeing this on YouTube, you're going to see my capture page, and you can see exactly what I'm doing. That being said, click the link, opt in. We'll see you in the next video.